Hello, honest people. Today we will continue dungeon generation. And right now, what we have? Right now, we can generate a dungeon like this. And then, according to the new dungeon, we can generate some, not all, but some level geometry. Like that. And right now, I want to make this into the like playable area. Right now we can only use it in the editor. So let's try to do it. And so how to do it? The first thing is like we need to remove this tool. So and then we need to call this script somewhere. So let me think like how to do it. Probably we need to hide this. Yes, the grid map. Actually, it can always be hidden, right? Yes. Okay, let's first add the camera, right? And then something like that. See preview. Okay, let's see. Here should it be like in the middle, let's say, and then behind. Like that, right? Get me closer. Yeah, okay. And then can transform like a rotate. Let's see here. Okay, let's see. Yes, I can move it a bit. Okay, let's say something like that. And then make it current for now. So, and then we can load this level in the game first. And how to do it? Okay. Let's say in here. Character chooser. Yeah. Yes, here we have play button. Button play. Okay, and then let's duplicate this button. Control D, and then here. Dungeon generation button. Okay, and then let's see play button. Okay, let's see play button. And then we'll load this thing, yeah, and then in a dungeon generation button, we need to connect. Let's connect to here, and then yes, we need to emit signal. Yes, and what we need to load is is our this one. Let's copy paths and then paste. Okay, let's see what we have. Dungeon generation. Okay, there's some error. And the error is, okay, let's check the game scene. Maps game. Because in game scene we need a certain signals. Game scene is this and what is players. Okay. Okay, so for the game scene, okay, let me open actually this game scene. So actually it needs to extend not 3D, yes, and then doesn't need to be two, and maybe we can set class name also. Class name is game scene, and let's see. Let's say dungeon. Okay, and then let's see. May. So the load thing will run this file. So actually the only requirement is these two signals. Good. Okay, so what we need is here also. Actually, we need here, right? Let me check. Game scene, no. Game scene no need. Okay. Actually, dungeon GT. Yes, actually, we need here. Okay, and then class dungeon. Okay, and this one should be done mesh. Yes. Okay. Global class script. Okay. Yeah, actually, so we generate is actually what we need. And generate. We'll call all other functions. Right. Create whole is called here is make room. Let's make room. So what we need is a function is ready, and then on ready we call generate. Yeah, that's probably will do it. Let's try. Oh, I forgot signals. Yeah, here. So what is happening? Remote main. Yeah, so should be okay, guys. Like this. So what's wrong? So is it because they don't have any environment? Let's try. This is run current scene. Yeah, run current scene. Okay, let's add the default environment. Maybe. Okay, let's run current scene. Okay, it was because of environment. Seems. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So. Okay, right now we need to replace this with a mesh, and okay, let me switch to here. So what we need to do after the generate, we need to call this and call function create a dungeon. Yeah. So this class create a dungeon. How to do it? Yeah. Actually, I'm not sure. How to call a function from other script? Can we use class name? Done mesh create. Okay, maybe need a new. it's a new damage like this, maybe. Not sure. Like this. Okay, and then generate, no, create dungeon. Right, okay, and let's try. This will probably fail because like parent is different. Yes, it's failed somehow. Right, yes. Okay, let's see what's the error. No, this is just a warning. Okay, sections. Get used cells. Oh, yes, this. Okay, the grid map. Oh, okay. Seems seems this is the wrong way, and then right way is like this. We need to use done mesh. Create. Probably like this. Create a dungeon, right? Let me see. It's no, create a dungeon. Yeah. Okay, let's check. Dungeon generate. Yes, I can see. We can just hide these cubes. Okay, let's see. We just like never show them, right? Yeah. We just don't show them at all. So right now, every time we start a new dungeon generator, yeah, will be a new dungeon. Okay, like this, and then yeah, it's like every time I'm the new one. Then we need to spawn a character in one of the rooms. And the room will be just room number 1. Okay, let's open VS Code. Yeah, here. Yeah, so the room number 1 will be, let's see. I think we have array of rooms. These are room tiles. and the room positions. Let's see what is room positions. Okay, room positions is center of the room. And this can be like a good point to spawn a character. Yeah. Okay, let's see. So after we generate the dungeon, we can check the level structure here. So all the mesh, yeah, it's not shown in editor, but all the mesh is the child of done mesh. Children of done mesh, yes. Yeah, and then so let's see what's the room positions. Can we check room positions? Need to pause, right? Room positions. How to okay, now we continue. Ah, okay, room positions already gone. Make room. So all the room positions are already here. Okay, so the room positions. It's 4 rooms. X and Z. So the room position is like a tile position. Right, let's see. Is it tile? Yeah. Okay, let's set it like it will be like tile coordinates of standards of rooms here. So then first one we can add the chat, right? Or not? Yes. let's see what is this script. Actually, I want to combine these two scripts. Because they're kind of doing the same thing, and then exchange data between them is a bit difficult. So I want to like merge them. Okay, we'll do it maybe later. So right now we just need to add a child in okay, and here maybe what here is like add nose 3D as starting position. Okay, you add okay, actually let's about actually let's set here cover the completion. Okay, add the child star boss. I also can rename it. The name equals to start boss. Okay, let's try. Campaign. Okay. Okay, let's check in a remote. Where is ours? Yes, we have start boss. So in start boss, we need to spawn the character. And when we spawn character, the camera will change to the character camera. And how it's done, let's see the game scene, right? You need to check game scene. Okay, dungeon 1. Let's check dungeon 1. Okay, dungeon 1, add player is this. Okay, and then and we add to the players. And the players is game scene, right? Game scene players. Okay. Let's see. So actually, what we can do then is just load here, right? And then it should load automatically. Let's try that. Just load dungeon. Probably that should do it. Then we just can click play. But it didn't. Ah, okay. Yes, it didn't load the player because we don't have that function. Yes. So we need to duplicate this code, which is not very scalable solution. And anyway, this code doesn't belong here. Yeah, it's like we need to make a scalable game. So like every level should have this code, so it shouldn't be inside the level. It's like more like outside. So this one actually should be all this code should be in the game scene. Yes, here. Okay, let's see if still if I didn't break anything. Okay, let's simply yeah. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. No, I'm just checking. Seems yeah, seems there's no ambient occlusion. Which is strange, but there's no ambient occlusion. Let's see here. Do I have already? No, it should have. Maybe it's too weak. What do we increase to 10? Yeah, also it seems not. Maybe it decrease. What if decrease? Seems there's no difference. Okay, I'll leave it default. Okay, this doesn't matter right now. And what matters is the code. Okay, so from the level, right? This level GT. Okay, so the level GT is can be attached to every level. Right? Seems it's exit tree. Exit tree is colon. Let's see. The add player and delete player. Should we add them to the game sim? Right or not? With the starting position and the camera. Wait, where is the camera? Oh, here. So let's see what are this. So every level should have starting position. Yes, and it should be assigned after the level is started. So it's already right. Let's check the actually starting position. Should be assigned here in case it's like programmatic. And the class and the type, it should be node 3D. And start with yeah, actually on what is already. Yeah, actually maybe it can work like that. but we need to rename to starting position here. Okay, the level. Now we need to attach this script to the level, and then let's see level. So the starting position will be here, right? Same as camera. Yes. So but I already have attached script here. Right, so I cannot attach another one. Right? Okay. After the mesh is generated. That's a good question. Let's find out. We can search for like GT script, attach script programmatically. And let's see. We can use set script. Set script. Let's see. Okay, then generate create tension. Oh yeah, and then we can sit here. That script. Right. Let's see what's this. TypeScript instance. My script is burned. This script. So it's need yeah, this right? Preload. Preload not. It's this isn't. Need only script. Okay, what's there? Okay, this. Yeah, so okay. Let's see what will happen. Probably will crash. Okay, don't crash, but also nothing. Let's see. So here is our starting position. Yes. Yes, images, and then yes, no script is not. Script is not attached, and then okay, let's see. What if yeah, we need to call start game then. Start game. And then start game will call it change level, yes. Change level. No, wait. Let's hit this one. Now it will be called as ready. And ready will do this. We'll add player, yeah. So we need to call the ready function. Well, yes. If this doesn't work, it will just infinitely recurse until the crash. Okay, it didn't. But also didn't. Okay, let's see what's the error. Node not found players. Okay, it's working, but can't find the players. And players because there is no game scene. right? So the game scene is actually game scene is game scene is loaded by the button. Okay, so the game scene contains players, and actually we need to call game scene here. So the game scene is actually the main scene of the game, where all spawning of level and players happens. So we need some way to change this to this. To this then? Like this? Probably. Let's try. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's try. Okay. Yes, it's loaded, but the starting position is not right. Let's check. Starting position, yes. Okay, let's just check here what's going here. Okay, play. Okay. So the starting position is equals to what? Really? Wait a second. Level starting position is this. So what? Oh yes. So the starting position is 0, 0, 0. All 0. That's why it's... Yeah, but it's not right actually. Oh no, it's right. It's 0. Oh yes. I never changed the starting position, right? Dungeon here. Oh yes, position is starting position. Yeah, we need to change the position, the same as for the character. And this is the vector 3. Okay, we're getting close. That's good. That's good. So then that is the room positions 0. Position 0. Back to vector 3 is what? What's that? To hold. Oh, okay. Yes, we just need first the 0 will be the first first room. So whatever the first room is, we just spawn character in the first room, which basically will be some random room. Okay, I need to delete breakpoint and continue. Yeah, it didn't work. Okay, let's check again. Okay. Okay, we stopped in breakpoint. Okay, let's see. The starting position is what? Starting position is 6. Oh, okay. Yes, yes. Because the starting position, I cannot control my mouse. The starting position is the room tile chords. It's not the like world chords. And the world chords is we need to multiply tile chords by tile size. Tile size. So where's the tile size? This. Yeah, there is many duplication between these two scripts. That's why I want to merge them. Okay, so multiply by tile size. Probably this probably should work. Yeah. Okay. So this is our dungeon. Yeah. This kind of cool dungeon. Very rare, like double corridor. Okay, yeah, the size is okay. So what we need to do is like add walls. Okay, so currently the game supports like fixed maps and also generated maps like this. Just looking at the textures. I'm not sure if it's okay. Okay. Anyway, it's okay. Okay, so okay, it's working now. And then next thing is what? Next thing is the walls. Okay, that was. Okay, and we can debug this, right? Just by changing this to the 2 again. Let's try this. Let's try if this will work. What? Why? Yeah, let's see then. That one. What is that? Toggle prepares. Okay, actually this probably don't need as well as this. Is it because of this? I'm curious why it doesn't work. I set it to the 2. But it didn't run. So it didn't run because of this. Because already. Let's try. Not ready. Then it's because of this. Right? Okay. Just this. Class name. But I didn't change anything. Seems I don't remember what we changed. Just change this. This. So because this is all fail, is it? Let's see. Not this also. But I didn't change. Seems I didn't change anything else. Let's reopen. Reopen the thing and see. Oh, no. Actually, this one case doesn't matter, right? This one probably also. I know this. Okay, let's first test the game again. And test test it. Yeah, without the signals, it should still work. Let's try. Play. Yeah. Okay. There are too many cubes. Can only see one cube at a time, which is very cool. Okay. Yeah, that's very interesting. Okay, actually, yeah, this is all right. So we don't need the signals here. Yes. And classic here also. Okay, and now let's try. Let's try generate dungeon. Start. Yeah, it's still working. Yes, and working in the game, and we only need to change this. And the comments are uncomment. Yes, and in dungeon mesh also the same. Right, okay, so let's see. Yes, we can generate dungeon. And then we can hide this and generate mesh. Okay, it's fact. Okay. We need to reopen this scene. Probably, yeah. Okay. So now we need to add walls. Add walls. Let's see. Okay, let's see. It's a mesh. So right now the dungeon will generate like blueprint kind of the level, and then the mesh will instantiate meshes. So what we need to do and add walls. Like here, place walls. And then let's see, wait, we need to add walls. And place just place doors. And the floor and door is floor mesh. Okay, let's change to this code because it will be easier to make sense of all this. Okay, so the floor mesh is here, all meshes, and the floor meshes get checked. Floor cell. The door mesh. Door mesh is child 1. Yeah, this is kind of I guess we can use find the child instead of get child and use a name. Let's see. Okay, let's see, like all dimensions, find, yeah, and child, and then we can use a name. Grid map. So this is grid map. Yes. Okay, let me see. Where is it on this? Okay, here. Okay, wait a second. Okay, so the dungeon map is here. This is doorway. So the floor, doorway. And we need to add a wall. Okay, here. Wall corner. Actually, we need a corner. Let's consent. Don't save. Pillar support. Wall cable. Yeah, 4 is 4, right? Yes, we need this. And then G and R. Yes, all of them should be like at location, rotation 0, scale 1. And in the game we can rotate, scale, and so on. So just one wall, okay. Yes, like this, and then we can export. Export GLTF, and yes, this. I can include everything. Yeah, this is probably okay. We can just export. Okay, and then let's see here. We can copy to the game. Okay, let's find the game. So it's here and then here, okay. We will copy here. Yes. Okay, and then it will re-import. Okay, and then we need to replace all get child with find chat. Right, get child is return node. How to find the chat? Awesome. Okay, that's good. So this is find, and the name is floor. Is stone slabs 4x4. Right? Is it? Yes. Now we can test again. Yeah, okay, let's what? Why cannot? Why is level? Why is become level? Should be return 10, not the level. Or because this is because cannot call method. Okay, so what? 51. Oh, okay. GT. Okay, I know. Actually, what we need is here should be GT. Let's open GT and then when we set script and actually all this only if we're not in the engine, not in the editor. So if not editor, yeah, not this. If not editor, we run this. And if it's editor, we don't do anything. That should do it. Okay, save. and open again. Yes. Yes, that's correct. Okay, so we generate again. Okay, and then dungeon generate. Yes. Okay. Yeah, floor is still floor, so it's confined. And then this is the doorway. Okay, let's see, the doorway is this one, right? Yeah, let's see, we cannot rename, okay. We can copy node path. Yes, and then paste here. And install Git and find it. Okay. Here. So it's still working. Let me regenerate and regenerate, yeah. Okay, yes. Okay, now we can place the walls. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one actually, this will be easier to analyze. So the walls will be between empty, which is index will be -1, and more than -1, and also the red one. And the red index is is 0, right? Let's see what's the index. Yeah, the border type index is 3. Yes, 3. So if one side is -1 or 3 and another side is any other number, then between these two we need to place a wall. Yeah. Okay. Let's see how to do it. Okay, move. Okay. Let's do it in the VS Code. Don't mesh. Okay. Okay, so the cell index is the current index. Current cell. And we need to check the cell on the west, east, and so on, which is all this. So we kind of need to duplicate all this code. Well, okay, guess there's no other way. Okay, let's do this. This is the mouse. Mouse. Sauce. Sauce. West. And east. Yeah, later we will refactor it to do something like more reasonable and better, just like code design. But right now we just need to make it work. So the place walls. The north cell. We can check if the north cell is the if north cell index is let's see is border or invalid. Yeah, like this. Oh, we already have all this. Okay, let's check only north now. Yeah, so let's see. So here we need to spawn wall mesh. Wall mesh is not 3D. All time meshes. Find child something. Duplicate. Yeah, like this. Okay, reload, yes. And the child name should be this. Copy node path. Yes, we're here. So right now we only set like north side of the north side of all the walls first, and when we make all the north working, we can just copy code for other sides. So we just need to add child is wall mesh. What's the wrong? Okay, mesh is, yeah, like this. Okay, tile. Okay, and then we need position. Okay, position is like this. Here. No, wait a second. This. Yeah, this is not the door. Wall mesh. Okay, let's see. Hide this and then run. Okay, there's some error happened. Okay, cannot find small brick wall. Okay, let's see. And why? Actually, this is not this. Okay, so all cannot call the big 148. Let's see, 148. This. What? 140, oh, sorry. Oh, here. Maybe need to reopen. Sometimes it works. Okay, let's see. We regenerate this first. Yeah, it's okay. And now try this. Okay. This will cannot call method duplicates on a null value. Flourish is good. Dimension grid map. Dimension grid map. Let's have small breakable forms for. So what's wrong? Let's re-import. Maybe need to restart. May I say? I don't know. Like it's the same code. In few lines above it works. And below doesn't work. It doesn't make any sense. Unless it's like need to somehow re-import something like a new mesh. Which I already tried. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, right, yeah. Just need to restart. And we can see the north side is working. Yeah. Okay, let's try south. I think we add the sides one by one. Okay, copy and then paste. Okay, so cell index is this and this, and then we need to modify the position also here, and the south tile should also add the tile size. Okay, let's try this. Should it be okay? Probably. Oh no, we don't need to run game. We only need to rerun the script. Okay. It's not exactly what we need, but somehow it can work. Then we will just keep it like this. Okay, then we need to add west and east. West and east. And the last step, we need to add also ceiling in the same tiles as the floor. Just when we add floor, we also add ceiling. Yeah. So this is kind of all looking very well now. Yeah, it's kind of good. Then let's see the west. Copy, paste. Oh, and then the west position is this. Okay, same same as south, but need to rotate. Mesh rotation. Like that. Okay, let's see. Rerun. Okay. So we can kind of see some bug here. Yeah. So it seems like the white between white and blue also need a wall. And white and blue and then hallway in a room. Yeah. Between hallways and room we need a wall also. Let's add here. Okay. Okay, it didn't work. Yeah, wait a second. Yes, because here is need to check east. Yeah. Okay. So it's almost all good except yes, we need to add wall between the room and the hallway. This is the special case. Okay. Yeah, probably this. I was thinking if we need a special case for the door tiles, but it seems don't need. Okay, this is fine. This is all fine. And we just need to check the index is the room index. No room, right? Let's see. Yes, the room is white. And if it's hallway, next to the hallway we add a wall between them. How about here? Yes, here is okay. Yeah, there's some bugs like Z fighting and so on. We will deal with this later. Okay, the special case, I can copy this one. Copy this here. So here we check if it's a room. If a room, then what's there? Doors. Yeah. Okay. So what's there? Any error? No. Okay. Okay. Yeah, and we need to check if it's hallway. Yeah. If it's hallway, also in the wall. Actually, we can add a doorway, but it will be too many doorways. Or we can randomly choose. Okay, like we can set some idea. Like this. Okay, so this is actually this is a wall. Yeah, that's probably it. Let's try. Yeah, okay. That's kind of working. Okay. We can test. Test by making this all not two and test in the game. Yeah, we need to close. Let's see. Play. Okay. Looks good. Okay, again. we can say is almost complete now. The next thing is would be what? Okay, need to add a wall, add a ceiling. Okay, let's add to do. Just add to do is enough for now. Okay, so place floor.